Okay, so now we are going to be opening the legendary 5D decks. How exciting, am I right? Look at this packaging. Very cute, very demure. Very nice. It does tell you what is inside for each deck, which is very nice. So, yeah. Alright. Let's do this. And it does come with some extras. So, let's see. What were the extras supposed to be for this? Oh, okay. So, you get one chibi black rose dragon and a token. Is that what all these are? So, I guess these are the chibi ones. Alright, let's see. Okay, so we have Stardust Dragon as a chibi. Black Rose Dragon as a chibi. Black Wing Dragon as a chibi. Oh, yeah, and then these are the tokens. So we have... Who's that? Yuki? Is that what his name is? We have a token of him. We have a token of her. Yusei. That was close. I didn't watch 5D. I only watched OG Yu-Gi-Oh! I don't know if I don't know if I want to watch. I'm an OG player. Just makes sense. I only watched OG Yu-Gi-Oh! You know, I do think it's very funny when people think that their themes in the other Yu-Gi-Oh! Seasons are harder than It's Time to Duel. Nothing beats that. Nothing in a million bajillion gazillion years. It's time to duel. Get your game on. No. No, you dum-dum, no. Absolutely not. Rev it up! This sounds so fucking stupid. Rev it up! Alright. Oh shit, I wonder if these are all gonna be... Okay. I don't know whose deck is whose. So I guess we'll see as we open these. Because I am gonna binder these. Jesus. My heart beats in hyperdrive. That sounds so stupid. Sounds so stupid. This is so stupid. Okay. Full Speed Warrior. Scrap Synchron. Synchro Fellowship. Junk Warrior Extreme. Scrap Warrior. Anchor Bolt Hedgehog. Crossroads Sonic Chick. One-Way Synchro. Junk Synchron. Junk Synchron. Wheel Synchron. Stardust Synchron. Stardust Synchron. Stardust Synchron. Revolution Synchron. Satellite Synchron. Assault Synchron. Jet Synchron. Junk Conveyor. Converter. Junk Converter. Junk Converter. Doppel Warrior. Effect Veiler. Effect Veiler. Ash Blossom and Joyous Spring. Molcharmy Perulia. Oh, cool. You get a Molcharmy in here. That's nice. On your mark, get set, duel. On your mark, get set, duel. Tuning. 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 Duelist Genesis. Synchro Rumble. Clashing Souls. Scrap Fist. 1 for 1. Scrapyard. Called by the Grave. Cross out Designator. Forbidden Droplet. Synchro Zone. Infinite Impermanence. Junk Warrior. Junk Speeder. Stardust Dragon. Axel Synchro Stardust Dragon. Formula Synchron. Stardust Warrior. And Shooting Star Dragon. And Crimson Dragon. So this one's Yusei's deck? Crimson Dragon. Yeah, I guess so. Okay, so let's do this so I remember. Should be Stardust. I guess that makes sense. So I guess that she's gonna have a Black Rose Dragon in her deck. Good old Stardust Dragon. Alright, here we go. Next deck, next deck. Okay. Miracle Fertilizer. Black Garden. Basil Rose Shoot. Blooming of the Darkest Rose. Perialis Empress of Blossoms. Very cute card. Lone Fire Blossom. Lone Fire Blossom. Lone Fire Blossom. Witch of the Black Rose. Spore. Rose Lover. Blue Rose Dragon. I think I have an idea whose deck this is. Ghost Ogre and Snow Rabbit. Ghost Ogre and Snow Rabbit. Red Rose Dragon. Red Rose Dragon. Red Rose Dragon. White Rose Dragon. White Rose Dragon. White Rose Dragon. Ghost Sister and Spooky Dogwood. Rose Princess. Rose Girl. Rocks Rose Dragon. Rocks Rose Dragon. Rocks Rose Dragon. Rudy Rose Witch. Rudy Rose Witch. Rudy Rose Witch. Mulcharmy Meowls. It's Mew. Monster Reborn. Terraforming. Miracle Fertilizer. Black Garden. Fragrant Storm. Thorn of Malice. Frozen Rose. White Rose Cloister. Basil Rose Shoot. Infinite Impermanence. Infinite Impermanence. Black Rose Dragon. Splendid Rose. Black Rose Moonlight Dragon. Garden Rose Maiden. Cross Rose Dragon. Cross Rose Dragon. Rudy Rose Dragon. Rudy Rose Dragon. Garden Rose Flora. Very nice. Very nice, m'lady. I see what you did there. Okie dokie. Oh, here we go. Some black wings. Okay, it's all starting to make sense to me now. Alright, we got some black wings in the house. Let's go. Alright. Blackwing Vayu, the Emblem of Honor. Okay, Icarus Attack. Blackbird Close. Blackwing Armor Master. Blackwing Nathung the Starlight. Okay, Blackwing Gale the Whirlwind. Blackwing Bora the Spear. Droll and Lockbird. Droll and Lockbird. Blackwing Chris the Crack of Dawn. Blackwing Sharnga the Waning Moon. Blackwing Orochi the Squall. Blackwing Harmattan the Dust. Ash Blossom Enjoys Spring. Ash Blossom Enjoys Spring. Blackwing Simoon the Poison Wind. Blackwing, Simoon the Poison Wind. Blackwing, Simoon the Poison Wind. Ghost Mourner and Moonlit Chill. Well, that's a cute card. Okay, let's see. Blackwing Veda, the Emblem of Wandering. Blackwing Veda, the Emblem of Wandering. Blackwing Veda, the Emblem of Wandering. Blackwing Shamal, the Sandstorm. Blackwing Shamal, the Sandstorm. Blackwing Shamal, the Sandstorm. Blackwing Chinook, the Snowblast. Blackwing Chinook, the Snowblast. Blackwing Chinook, the Snowblast. Sounds like a slur almost, I feel. Blackwing Sudri, the Phantom Gummer. Blackwing Sudri, the Phantom Gummer. Blackwing Sudri, the Phantom Gummer. Molcharmy, Foolos. We got another Molcharmy. Mystical Space Typhoon. Book of Moon. Black Whirlwind. Black Whirlwind. Forbidden Chalice. Called by the Grave. Black Feather Whirlwind. Black Feather Whirlwind. Delta Crow, Anti-Reverse. Blackwing Twin Shadow. Blackwing Armed Wing. Blackwing Silverwind, the Ascendant. Blackwing Dragon. Blackwing Full Armor Master. Blackwing Assault Dragon. Blackwing Assault Dragon. And Blackwing Boarstorm, the Wicked Wind. Blackwing Boarstorm, the Wicked Wind. Okay. That's it for 5D. It's not bad. It's pretty nice complete decks. I like it. I think it's pretty good. 10 out of 10. I wish my box didn't come, like, open, but whatever. I'm gonna keep the box anyway. And then we'll put those in a binder later. Yeah, very cool. I like the tokens.